everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mek's Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Today we are planning the week of the 20th through the 26th. We are using the Touch of Autumn kit from ThePlannerShack, and this is a collaboration with my planner friend, PlanwithCSRD. I believe her name is pronounced Rochelle. Do not come for me, girl. You know I'm bad with names. We talked about this. Me and names don't get along, so you can yell at me. It's okay. But we have been planning on doing this collab, and we are beyond excited about it. Oh my goodness. This kit, when we were thinking about what kit should we use, we picked the day, and I was like, wait a minute, fall starts that week. We got to use a fall kit. And I was like, I already bought this kit and I really want to use it like for the first week of fall. And the Touch of Autumn kit is, it just has all the fall feels. Like, look at this, y'all. It's just absolutely beautiful. But in this collaboration with my girl Plans with CSRD, I will have all of her information linked down below. I believe she has a link tree, so that might be the easiest thing, just to put her link tree so you can have her YouTube and her Instagram page. Just go ahead and follow. I will also have the link to her video to show you how she does her thing. She is an amazing with Goodnotes. She has taught me so much. We're both teachers. I don't know if she realizes that I'm a teacher too. We don't talk about it much, but she has it on her page that she's a teacher. I'm a teacher too. I teach online. So doing this digital thing is like really been beneficial for me. And we said that we wanted to talk about why we digital plan. So as you guys watch me give this, my date covers up there, a little TLC and add some florals and layering to it. I know I cheated in the corner. I was practicing seeing how I wanted it to look. Y'all know how I do. But I'm going to tell you why I digital plan and why I switched from paper planning last year, and I started kind of my digital planning journey using Silhouette software. I originally was the girl that ordered all the kits. I needed all the kits, and I was spending way too much money on that. Like a lot of money. But I saw it, and if it sparkled, I needed it. Like when foils started coming in, girl, let me tell you, I was like, oh my God, I need all the foil stickers. Just give me. I had planner subscriptions. I think I had like 3 or 4 planner subscriptions. I needed it all, and I'm like, I need it to be pretty. So in order for it to be pretty, I needed to have everything that I wanted to have. So I began to budget, and then within that budget, you got to think, okay, I want this planner. Oh, there's a new planner coming out. I want that one. And it became like a lot of money. So my husband kind of had like an intervention. He was like, you have got to find a way to do your hobby to where you're not spending all these coins. And I was like, you're right. So I started looking into it and searching stuff online, and I heard about printable kits, and I'm like, printable kits? What in the world? So I searched on Etsy, and I found ThePlannerShack. And this is why I'm so obsessed with ThePlannerShack, y'all. It was the first printable kit that I used. It was just, I remember the first kit that I used, and it was like, this is a printable? What is happening? So I printed it out, didn't even have a Silhouette machine. I was cutting stickers. And then, it was in that moment that I realized that I can't cut a straight line. So I invested my money and got a cut machine, downloaded the Silhouette software, started taking myself through YouTube University and learning all about that and kind of getting better at it. And yeah, it just became a thing. I've finally perfected how to cut my stickers. Every now and then the cut machine would act like a toddler and drive me absolutely crazy. If you have a Silhouette cut machine, you know exactly what your girl is talking about. But it was working. I love printable stickers, and it just became my thing. I shop with ThePlannerShack, of course. ThePlannerShack is my #1 top favorite printable sticker shop. Next, I've shopped with Tralala Stickers, Print Petticoat Bandit. Who else? There's so many shops that I've, gotten kits from and have decided that yes, printable kits are the way to go. And then the pandemic happened last year, and I became a online teacher because I was already doing that. But then I was, how do I say it? I don't want to say forced, but I mean, I had no choice. I was pushed into homeschooling, and I was happy because my kids were home and they were safe with me, but it did not leave much room for me to do my hobby, for me to do planning. And I was like, okay, I got to figure out a way to kind of get around the whole not being able to plan, print stickers, place them down, that thing. So I started to ask my PR girls, because I PR for the Planner Shack. You guys know that. PlannergirlMek 35 in the comments at PlannerShack to save 35%. Commercial over. But I started to talk to them. I'm like, is there a way to use Silhouette and plan out your kits and print it out as it's already put together as like a planner page, and you just use like the full row stickers? And they were like, I think I've seen someone do that, but you should do that. And I'm like, I should come up with a template and everything. So I did that. I have a template. If you guys want access to that template, it is on the Planner Shack's Facebook group. That link will be down below as well. And yes, I loved it so much. I really, really got into it. And then I realized there's so many moms, so many people with busy schedules that were like, oh my gosh, thank you, because we needed this in our life. It is so much time saving. And I know Plans with CSRD, she recently just did a video using that template, and oh my God. First of all, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to you and the hubs. But yeah, she just did a really cute kit, and it was nice, and she used the template, and it just became life using, that template. And I loved it. I started doing a ton of planner videos with it, and you guys were like, yes, we are here for it. Give us more. And I kept doing it. And then in August, I decided to pull the kids out of school full time, and because the pandemic was still really bad and I didn't want them going back to school just yet, I wanted to give them at least a year so they can try to figure things out in the school system on how they're going to do stuff. And so I became full-time homeschool. I was still teaching at the time, and then around February, no, it was in March. It was around March when it was just too much to continue teaching online and homeschooling. It was a lot on me. So I took like a 3-month break, and yeah, it was a lot. And I kept doing my videos as I could, because, sporadically, because I know y'all were like, she ain't did a video this week. What's going on? I was working on it, y'all. I really was. I was working on it, trying to get my schedule together. But it was in that moment where I decided, like, once summer hit, that I really wanted to focus and learn the Goodnotes software and how to use it, because I really, really, really was all about watching digital plan with me videos. I really like them. Like, you can take a digital plan with me video, put it on mute, and it's just relaxing. And once I started to do it, oh my God, it was the best. And I think I had 2 major problems. There wasn't enough space on my iPad, and cropping the kits using the PNG wasn't always time saving for me. But I mean, I guess it kind of replaced the Silhouette machine. But Plans with CRD taught me an easier way to crop my kits, and I'm not going to tell you guys about that. I'll let her create a video and show you how to do that, because I don't want to take credit for that, because it was brilliant and I use it, and it cuts literally like hours out of my cropping kit time. Like I literally had all of my kits cropped for September. It was amazing. But slowly but surely, I really got into the full swing of Goodnotes digital planning and finally got it to where it was looking the way I wanted it to look, and it became so relaxing. Like I can take my iPad with me while I'm at carpool, because I get to carpool like an hour early because the line is always really long, and now I have to go to two different schools and it's just a whole thing. But it's amazing. I love it because I can sit there and do my screen recording planner videos for you guys and still get my week's plan. I've mentioned before, I do daily plan in my digital planner. If you guys want a flip through of my planner, let me know. I am working on one for the shop, my shop, PlannergirlMek, planner and Bible stickers. My shop link will be down below as well. I am working on putting one out there for you guys. It will be a neutral version. This one is kind of fall colors because fall is my favorite season. So I may do like a neutral version so you guys can have that, and it'll be in the shop. But anywho, I got off on a tangent. I really love digital planning, and it's just everything to me. And will I ever go back to paper and pen planning? I don't know. I have actually pondered on the idea of destashing a lot of my stickers and my washi tape. Oh, I don't know. I mean, my bow washi, I will never get rid of. It will collect dust and I will keep it for the rest of my life. But the other washi, I don't know. I might do a destash. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to be a hoarder. You know, I don't want to hoard stuff that I know I'm never going to use. That's another thing we talked about in the PR group. We were like hoarding stuff that we know we're never going to use again. But yeah, I am seriously thinking about doing a destash because I absolutely love digital planning. It has been amazing. I have met some new amazing planner friends, and I feel so blessed to be able to do this. I've mentioned this before in other videos that planning is very therapeutic for me. It's how I find my happy place. And digital planning is just another form of, therapy for me, and I absolutely love it. If you have the time, try it out. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you do digital plan and you have already thought about digital planning and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's amazing and I truly love it, and I really hope you guys try it out. Tag us in your videos. But yeah, so that's why I digital plan, and that is why Plans with CSRD and I are doing this collab video, because we love fall, we love digital planning, and we wanted to share that with you guys. And we also wanted to do kind of like a same but different spread, like use the same kit but plan it the way we do it. I cannot wait to see her video. Like, I'm just as anxious as y'all are. Her links will be down below. Please go check her video out after you watch this one. And to anyone from her channel that is watching this video, hey girl, hey, how you doing and stuff? I'm Meks. Please comment and let me know that you're here from her channel. Subscribe. Let's be planner besties and all that good stuff. But let's get into this spread. We have planned pretty much the entire week. I think we're on Friday right now. Yeah, we're on Friday right now. I had to go to Kroger. And then that day I also went to Home Goods and Marshalls. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my Insta stories. I believe it's saved under the stories with my picture. It just says Meks on there, where I have like random stuff that I save. And then later on that day, I cleaned my house. I cleaned downstairs. The next day I cleaned upstairs. But my house, it was just, you know how the season's changing. We needed to change the air filters. It was getting all dusty and stuff. So I had to get that under control. But yeah, guys, we are coming to an end. Oh my goodness, it's almost there. We got probably about 4 more minutes left. But let's see, what am I doing here Saturday? Oh yeah, girl, listen. I'm a natural. If you guys follow any of my other videos, I do hair videos sometimes. And my hair has gotten so long and thick, Jesus help me. It takes me like 3-4 hours just to do my hair. So I washed my hair and I decided to do a wash and go, which is basically wearing it in its natural state with curls. And I just use gel to keep the curls in their form. But yeah, so it took me forever to do that. So while I was doing my hair, I watched Nancy Drew. I watched like 3 or 4 episodes of Nancy Drew. I couldn't watch too much because my son kept coming in there. And if y'all watch Nancy Drew, you know why it's not a good idea for a 7-year-old to watch that. who dreams all the time. So I didn't want him to have any nightmares. So I turned that off and we started watching The Flash. I love The Flash. I'm on season 4. I know y'all like, there's 7 seasons, girl. What you doing? But I love it. I love that I can watch it on Netflix at my own pace. But The Flash is absolutely amazing. I'm sorry if you guys can hear me playing with this water bottle top. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm having a moment. I'm having a moment right now. But yeah, so I'm adding some elements from Mini Moments kit that I used last week. I used them in the spread that I did last week, and that video is coming up next week, I believe. I'm using, it's either that one or the week after. And then I'm showing here that I planned out my kits for October. Another amazing thing about my girl that we're doing this collab with, she has her kits planned out till December, y'all. Like, that is, listen, that is amazing. So she motivated me to plan out my kits. I can't plan it out till December because, you know, I have a feeling that there's going to be some new kits coming out. So I do it monthly. I know in the Plannerverse, as I have heard it called, everyone seems to put kits out a season early. So if we're getting Halloween kits now, we should be getting Thanksgiving kits, which I've seen a few. And then while October is going in, we'll start to see all of the Christmas kits coming out. So that's why I like to plan monthly. So I'm really excited. And I love all the flowers that have been put in these kits. It's amazing. But yeah, she motivated me to get my planning of my kits in order, which is why I've been able to do videos for you guys more frequently. So big ups to her. But I did my washi banner in Silhouette software, and I could not find my weekend script. So I went ahead and grabbed the PNG and just did a freehand cropped of it and placed it there. And oh my goodness, guys, I always get like a little sad when the video is about to end. But here I'm just adding some florals, trying to make it look all cute and stuff, and making the weekend banner and all that look really good. Adding some metallic foil hearts from Mini Moments. And yes, once again, this kit is from ThePlannerShack. It is called Autumn Season. Oh Lord, I forgot what the kit is called. Y'all, it'll be linked down below. Y'all know my brain is not where it's supposed to be. Jesus help me. What is it? Touch of Autumn. Yes, praise God for notes. Thank you. Touch of Autumns. It'll be linked down below. Thank you again, Plans with CSRD. Rochelle, thank you so much for doing this video with me. Thank you for everything that you have taught me, girl. Like, oh, I'm a sponge, and I'm so thankful that you're willing to teach me. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. Thank you all for all your support. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to my girl Rochelle's video, Plans with CSRD, and watch her put on this kit and make it look all beautiful. But here she is. All right, you guys. See you in the next one.